Foundations of capitalism: rent, pay the landlord because they have housing; profit, pay the shareholder because they have stock; and debt, pay the lender because they have your debt. Then we wonder why there is poverty, why the poor can never get ahead, and why the rich always get richer. Here's Claude discussing the three problems of rent, profit, and debt, which all transfer wealth from the poor and the working class to the rich, over and over and over again. Unchanged capitalism, 3 out of 10, not very good. We fix these three problems with Trinity economics. You fix housing with a 3-property limit. You fix profit with a syndication model, allowing 50% equity to workers and 30% to talent. And you fix debt by defaulting on the national debt. Then you can finance a UBI with a progressive wealth tax. Here at the top, you see your net worth from 1 million to 100 billion. Average total assets, tax rate, tax per person per month, estimated people, and dollars per month for each tax bracket. Then you have your UBI administration with all of the different ages and all of the different UBIs received at each age. Keep in mind, this replaces the income tax, replaces the payroll tax, replaces Social Security and welfare. And if your net worth is under $1 million, you're not paying a single cent in tax. Here we have Grok checking the math of the spreadsheet very, very quickly, just to make sure all the numbers are correct and everything is feasible. And here are the results. It says at the bottom, the infographics math is accurate. Your math, as reflected on the infographic, checks out. This begs the question, how do we accomplish these things? Well, you could have two fronts. You could have a new political party. You could take over the Democratic Party with Bernie Sanders, perhaps, or AOC or something. Or you can create a parallel society. The parallel society is difficult because you would have to somehow take over the existing power structure and influence the existing power structure.